How to add follow button on Facebook profile. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to add a follow button so people can follow us on our Facebook account is to tap on this main menu button right here on the upper part and then scroll down to the very end until we see settings and privacy. We just have to tap on that and now click on settings. Once we're on our settings, all we have to do is to scroll down until we find followers and public content. We just have to tap on that. And now we are able to see this section that says who can follow me. So all we have to do in order for us to be followed by other people on our account is to make sure that this who can follow me option right here is on public right here. Now, after that's done, you can pretty much do what you want to do in your account. And now you have added a follow button on your Facebook profile. So that's how to add follow button on Facebook profile. Hope we help.